the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't going to play it safe. A new leak from the One UI 8.5 test software says that the beastly flagship can now charge faster with 60 watts. 45 watts is a huge step up from what we've had since the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Samsung is combining the speed boost with Qualcomm's next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chip for Galaxy, which has the internal codename P&K 850. This should make for one of the most powerful mobile experiences we've ever seen. The leaked software One UI 8.5 proves that charging is faster and also shows early work on this customized Snapdragon chip, which is likely to have a speed of up to 4.6 GHz and an Adreno 840 GPU. It is said that this new silicon has performance numbers close to 4 million on Antutu, which is crazy. It also gives Samsung a real chance to be the best Android phone maker in 2026. Even better, this power won't just belong to the US like it did before. Samsung is likely to release the Snapdragon version all over the world, which will please many users who are tired of the Exynos processor. Even though the battery might only hold 5,000 mAh, the faster charging speed alone means that you can go from 0% to almost 50% in 15 minutes. Power users will have a much better standard of life. That, along with rumors of a smaller and lighter S26 Ultra, a better camera layout, and software improvements in One UI 8.5, makes it clear that Samsung is ready to make the S26 Ultra more than just a small update. To sum up, the Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just faster, it's also better, thinner, and more powerful than ever. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.